Now I want to cut a piece of black bottom or cambric, whichever one you want to call it. Normally I'd measure it, I'm guessing at it this time. Perfect. Turn a little bit under. I usually about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Come back here to this back side. I'll leave about 1/2 inch or so over. I'm about 1 inch away from the corner. Same on the sides now. 1, 2, and I usually go ahead and cut out come right here to the corner, like that, and that. Same over here, right to the corner there. And I always get it this way right first, and then I just flip that under. And that's it.